Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World. And today we got one of the baddest hybrid watch faces that you want to check out in the Gear Manager store. This one is coming from WFP and I'm telling you, this guy always does a great job on detailing of analog and or digital watch faces. Now, this one here is no exception and it is going to be affordable in the Gear Manager store. Trust me. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's check this watch face out. The name of it is called WFP 0163 Dark Magic Neon. This is one of the best hybrid watch faces I've seen thus far. All right, with that being said, let's dive off into this one. First, up at the top, you will get your step info. You come down, you're going to get digital time, which is going to be in 24 hours. And you also get a nice, fun analog hands as well, which gives you the best of both worlds. Now, in both dials, the one to the left, you'll get your step status info. You're going to get your battery info to the right. Down at the bottom, I like the design of this one. It gives you your day of the week and it gives you your date right up under it. Now, I'm loving the detailing of the index that's going around the bezel of the watch. Very unique, very stylish, very casual. Now the watch face is interactive, so if you tap right here on the time, you will be able to bring up your calendar. Here it's going to bring up your step info, calories burned, force climb, things of that nature. Also here you're going to get your battery info, and down at the bottom you're going to be able to pull up your calendar. So I thought this was a nice look for a casual watch face. Not bad at all. Now, it gets better. If I tap right here, I got a menu that allows me to customize the watch face a whole lot more. One of them you might recognize, and that's going to be the weather and a couple of more things. We'll see that in a second. So let's get started with this. First of all, see if we can keep with where it's at. So sometimes you get lost. So you can change the time color and the theme of it to a degree, depending on what you're looking for. I like this a lot better. So depending on what color you have this set at, it's going to depend on what color that time and your date is down at the bottom. If I double tap right here, I can change the color theme of the watch face, digital time and date. So again, remember, if you change that, you can change the color of that time. Now down here is where the fun begins. I can change the whole look of the watch face. So I got so many different watch faces and all. Just cycle through till you get to the one you like. I thought this was a good look by the developer. I thought he did an awesome job on this watch face. Definitely off the charts. Let me cycle through a couple more, just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. Now you can change the hands as well by double tapping. Same thing here. Just double tap until you get to the color you would like. And let's tap here. And I can change the index, which I thought was super slick. And it goes through all of them. It even brings up numbers as well. Is this worth it? Definitely this is worth it. Let's tap right here, or single tap up at the top here. And I can set a favorite, and right here I can go in and get my weather. This is definitely a nice look for a casual watch face. I thought it was off the charts. I thought the developer definitely did an awesome job. But at the end of the day, people, it's going to be all about you. Tell me, what are your thoughts on this watch face? Right, you all, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy the Monday grind. And I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.